Hey everybody, how you all doing, and welcome to my latest metabolic flow workout. Now today I'm going to show you a metabolic flow workout that's going to hit your six-pack abs and your whole abdominal wall, including your core. So let me quickly take you through this workout, and then afterwards we'll talk about how to create a workout structure so you can get the best possible results out of this specific workout. Now you're going to need some sliders. I use sliders, but you can use plastic bags, socks, paper plates, anything will do. So the first thing you are going to do is you're going to get yourself into a plank position with your feet positioned on your sliders. Now obviously this means core nice and tight, elbows facing forward, and you're going to start in this position. Then we're going to do a sliding knee tuck. This hits your lower abs, okay, and really contracts when you get to the front. Then you're going to take it back out. Then you're going to do a pike, okay. This hits your upper abs. Then you're going to take it back out. Then you're going to turn to the side and you're going to hit your obliques on the one side and then your obliques on the other side. And your goal is just to continue with this flow for 3 to 5 minutes if you are a beginner and 5 to 10 minutes if you are advanced. And you basically go for as long as you can. Then you take a 30-second break and then you continue again. And you continue with that circuit and do as many rounds as you can in that time period. It's as simple as that, guys. And this is an intermediate to advanced workout. It's going to hit your abs like crazy. But the great thing is because you're in that plank position, you have that constant contraction, which is one of the reasons why this workout is so effective. So there you go, guys. Very simple, but really effective if you want to hit your abs right there at home. And as always, remember, if you want to learn how to use this workout and combine it with other workouts to build a healthy, strong, and great looking body at home, come and try one of my free challenges, and you can check that out at 6weeksixpack.com. Until the next one, guys, please click on the like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're not a member yet, and I will see you in the next one. Remember, have fun out there and keep it simple. Bye-bye.